Hello. Currently, Öster's OA line is undergoing incremental changes that we want you to be ready for. I am pleased to introduce Anna Long, who is our latest addition to the Academy team. Anna's wealth of knowledge as a certified prosthetist orthotist will benefit us to educate both internally and externally.
In this series, we will learn about changes such as use cues and straps, the anti-migration system, liners, pads, and kits, and QR codes.
This is Classroom Catch-Up.
To streamline our product line and ensure a consistent, unified strap and alligator experience, we are implementing these changes across our entire osteoarthritis portfolio. And now we are introducing these to the rebound cartilage as well. The alligator clips have been reduced in width to prevent overhang on the straps, and the shape is more streamlined. The Unloader 1X and OAE's strap design has also been brought to the rebound cartilage. This strap resists rolling and stretching over time, adding longevity to the brace. These changes bring the rebound cartilage into our unified brace portfolio, which will allow you to provide consistent products that enhance your patient care experience. Be sure you follow along to stay updated on this series of incremental changes. If you need more information, please contact your local area sales manager or us here at Öster Academy.